I'm a 16-year-old philosopher, and I've been thinking a lot recently about how we got here to this day and age where AI is able to write code, create art, and answer your deepest questions. But what's even crazier to me is that a man predicted this over 300 years ago, before electricity was even invented. He was a philosopher, mathematician, and just overall important thinker in history. And he may have single-handedly set the blueprint for the world we're living in right now. The man's name was Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz, and he predicted the future of AI as we know it. So who was Leibniz? Born in 1646 Germany, he wasn't just a philosopher. He was the kind of person who made calculus, before he knew Newton was doing the same thing. But what really fascinates me isn't just his math. It's this crazy idea he had, that all human thought could be broken down into symbols. Like, imagine if every debate, every moral dilemma, every question of truth could be solved like a math problem. That was Leibniz's dream. He said, and I quote, "Let us calculate. Not argue, not guess, just calculate." And the wild part is, that's exactly what AI is doing right now. Leibniz didn't just talk about the stuff he built. He created one of the first mechanical calculators. It could multiply, divide, all with gears and levers. But what he really wanted was something deeper. He envisioned what he called the Characteristica Universalis. Basically, it's a universal logic language, a way to represent every idea, every belief, every concept in a system of symbols. He believed that once we could represent thought symbolically, we could literally create a machine that reasons. Fast forward a few hundred years, it's kinda what we did. ChatGPT, self-driving cars, algorithmic decision-making, all of it depends on symbolic processing. We're not just calculating anymore. We're reasoning, just like Leibniz imagined. Here's where it gets kind of freaky. Leibniz was also obsessed with binary ones and zeros. He was inspired by an ancient Chinese text called the Ching, which used patterns of solid, broken lines to represent yin and yang, opposites. He saw that and realized, this is logic. Yes or no, true or false, 1 or 0. He proposed a full number system based on binary, and today, that's literally how computers work. Everything from your phone screen to the AI writing the script with me is built on ones and zeros. Leibniz didn't just predict AI, he invented the core concept that makes it possible. So here's the real question. Did Leibniz predict thinking machines? He believed that if logic could describe how humans think, then a machine that follows logic could eventually think like us. And honestly, that's exactly the philosophical debate around AI today. Is it thinking, or is it just mimicking thought? Leibniz believed thought was just a process, and anything that follows the process could do it. If that's true, AI might already qualify. But here's the twist. Leibniz wasn't blind to the risks. He worried that logic without ethics could become dangerous. A machine that calculates truth without understanding context, emotion, or morality? That's not just a genius idea. It's a potential problem. Today, we're using AI to approve loans, decide prison sentences, and filter information, all based on calculations, not compassion. And I wonder if this is the part Leibniz didn't, or couldn't, predict. 300 years ago, philosophers sat down and tried to build a machine that could think like a human. Today, that machine is thinking about you. Not just predicting what you'll click, but shaping what you believe, and maybe even how you think. So yeah, as a 16-year-old philosopher, I'll say it. Leibniz saw the future, and now that we're living in it, the question is, what do we do with it? If you found this video as weird and fascinating as I did, hit that like button and subscribe if you're down to question reality with me. I got more videos coming on AI, philosophy, and strange stuff that they never teach you in school. Do you think AI is actually thinking, or just copying us? I'm a 16-year-old philosopher, and this is only the beginning.